So now I want to go to that next question on this one. Different CEO has a different focus in the company. In a company, there is one key pillar is a finance. Number one is people. Number two, and number three is about the brand. So which is your number one?
Okay, so at the beginning, I talked with you that we focus on the people most. The people can make the company, the people can sell the product, the people can do anything, can build up the brand name for the company. The first and most important factor that I pay on the people.
All right. So you mentioned about the people. So would you like to please share that? Why do you focus on the people? Please share a little more details about this one. I think a lot of people are not doing it, and I'm seeing the industry, but I'd love to hear. But how do you, why do you prioritize people first? Please share.
Yes. To remember in 2019, before 2020, you know that I have my employee. She a very good employee. So she had a good relationship with the customer. But after that, when the customer want to do something behind her, and they talk the problem to me, that they don't agree satisfied with my employee. And then I get back to take the information and to ask my employee about it, the issue. She also report to me all the time. So because with my employee, I had a good relationship with her so for more than 10 years and understand the character. So also I check information from another management of the client company, and they also report to me the thing the same meaning with my employee. So that then I talk with the customer like that. If you don't like her, I will change other people for you, but she's still working for me. You get point?
Right.
Yes.
All right. So after hearing from you, this is about you typically trust your team more than one, because your team can give you the right input. Is it?
Yes. I can, yes, like this. I can say if the customer not satisfied with the employee, I can change another employee for them, but the customer cannot require me to fry with the person. Like it. If in case I had the business, I find out more information that she is the correct, not wrong on this case, so I will keep her for me.
Cool. So there is a common minimum about this one in the market is about customer is God. Customer is always right. It's a Chinese manner, and Chinese always talk about it. How do you feel about this one, you?
Yes, it belongs to the kind. The customer is the growth of the market. But you know that if you had a good relationships and you had a long-term history relationship with the customer, in this case we cannot buy on the win-lose 100%. That's the win-win. You know that the customer, you can do the business with them for the short time or long time. If the customer for the short time, we will make decision, or we do the business with them, we buy on the relationship with them. Of course, by on your company, you should be honest and very friendly to the customer. But some the customer, they just go with you for a short time. Some the partner, the customer, they commit and very willing to work with you for a long time. In the January, the customer is the same employee of the company that the people commit to go long time with you. And some the customer, they just to buy the shop product from your company. So you should consider how is the relationship between the company and with the customer.
Thank you for sharing about that. That's an incredible point. Viewers, you mentioned is about, yeah, customer can be right, customer can be God, but at the end of the day, you have to understand what kind of customer is a person, how long connected you are. If it's a customer just buying one-off from you, or is it a first-time customer, or a customer buying from you for 5 years and customer buying you 10 years, are different type of customers, and you need to understand the gaps, and then you could have a better approach to create a win-win relationship between your company and your customer. Thank you. for sharing this one.